Hi everyone, welcome to the Lampy and Kiefer YouTube channel. Today's Thrive app tutorial will be all about our Soundspace feature, how to launch that in the app, and how to use it and when you should use it. Today I'm using a Apple iPad for this demonstration, and I have a set of Starkey Livio rigs paired to the iPad already. So I'm going to open up our Thrive app, and it takes us to the home screen. You know you're in your home screen because if you look down at the bottom left hand corner, you can see the house icon is highlighted blue. We're going to navigate to that icon just to the right of the house icon. It looks like a little equalizer. That takes us to our customization screen, and we have a few options here. You all can check out some of my other videos about how to navigate the equalizer or your wind noise processor, your machine noise, speech and noise processors, microphones. But today we're going to go to our Soundspace feature. So at the top, there are a few different icons that get us to our customization topics. We're going to navigate all the way over to the far right where it looks like a little plus sign. So we're going to tap that. And then it just talks about Soundspace. It's a feature where you're going to drag your finger around to make adjustments to the sound quality of the hearing aids. So we're going to get into that. We're going to tap launch. It takes a second to load. Okay, so it gives us kind of a 2x2 grid here, 4 squares. So if we're looking at the top of that vertical line, that's going to give us the volume. So if we were to raise that, if we wanted to increase our volume, we would use that dot in the middle to drag up the volume up that vertical line. Then next we've got pitch over to the right. That increases the pitch. So if we wanted to hear someone like a woman or a child, or if we just wanted more clarity, we would want more high pitches. And then down below that is the volume decrease option, and then to the left we've got a decrease for pitch for things like background noise or men's voices that can be for low pitch. So all you have to do is drag your finger. You want to start dead in the center where that little circle is, and let's say we just wanted some more volume and some more clarity. What we can do is not only drag the little circle up, because that gives us more volume, but we can also drag it up and then out toward the right side of the screen. And if we do that, that increases both the volume and the high pitch, or gives us more speech clarity. Let's say we wanted to have less background noise, less volume. We would do the opposite, where we're just dragging that little circle over to the opposite quadrant here over in the bottom left-hand corner of our screen. That decreases our pitch and also decreases our volume. Let's say the volume's okay, but we want more pitch. We can also drag that little circle over to the right. So we didn't change our volume. We're still in the bottom half of our screen here, but we did change our pitch by dragging that circle over to the right. And then finally, we can increase our volume but decrease our pitch as well. So we can drag it all the way to the opposite quadrant in that top left-hand quadrant, and that gives us more volume but a lower pitch. So if you wanted to drag your finger along any of these, your hearing aids will in real time update, so you'll be able to hear as you're making the adjustments. And then when you've gotten it to a point where you think you are hearing well, you would just tap the done button, and it saves that change for you. And that is our Soundspace feature. And as you can see down at the bottom where it says current memory, It now says temp. Maybe you started out in your normal setting or one of your other preset memories, but anytime you launch this Soundspace, you are creating a custom memory. So you're using that original memory kind of as a platform to build your own custom setting. So if you wanted to save this, you would tap down at the bottom where it says temp, and then you want to hit edit current memory, and then you can edit the name. So you can change it from temp, and you can maybe call it rest. You can maybe call it your favorite restaurant. Let's call it Red Lobster, just for the sake of the example. And then you would hit done, and that saves it. If for any reason you delete this or you don't want to use this, maybe you don't like Red Lobster anymore, if you tap the trash can down at the bottom of the screen, that will delete any of your custom memories for you. So I don't want to delete it. I'll just hit done in the top left hand corner. And now you can see down at the bottom that memory is titled Red Lobster because we've created a brand new memory from accessing that Soundspace feature. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment in the comment section. If you like this video, then like it, let me know. If you have any more questions or you feel like you're needing some in-person adjustments with your hearing healthcare professionals, feel free to reach out to us, give our office a call. So thanks for watching and have a great day, everyone.